Welcome to ConX Measure. In this 4-minute concreting demo, I'm going to show you everything you need to know to do the takeoff for this footing and slab plan. Once you have the plans loaded to ConX, the first thing to do is to check that the scale is accurate. In order to do this, select the length, go to a known measurement, click a point to start, and double click to finish. The measurement will then appear in the measurements drawer. If it matches up, then you know the scale is correct and you're ready to crack on. You can add multiple shapes into a group, which will give you the overall total of this group. This will save you from having to add things up later on. For this example, we're going to get the total lineal meters of saw cuts. To do this, select length, add group, give it a color, give it the name, SC in this case, and press add. You will then start the measurement by clicking on a point on the plans, go to the next point and double click to finish, and you can continue this throughout the plan. You'll be able to see in the measurements drawer that each shape is being added up to give you that total. If you make a mistake, you can delete from here. I'll speed through the rest of the saw cuts, but once you've selected the group in the length tool, you will be able to continuously add a measurement into that group. Once you're finished, you will get the exact lineal meters of that group. Next, we're going to do an area measurement. For this example, we'll be getting the area of the pavement. As with the length, you just give it a name, give it a color, and press add. If you wanted to add something to your favorites against your profile, you can do that by selecting that tab. As before, click to start, click to change direction and drop a marker. This can be helpful when measuring curved areas as you can be precise. When you are finished the measurement, you double click and this will give you the overall area of that space. If you want to add more into that group, just select the polygon, the group you wish to add to, and start again. Click to start, double click to finish, and that will be added into the total of that group. You will see the total in the measurements drawer. You can drop it down and see the exact shapes. By hovering over it, it highlights it on the canvas. This will make sure you don't miss anything. Next we have the marker. This will allow you to count items. It's the exact same as before. Add marker, give it a name, select the shape you wish to represent it on the plans, give it a color, and press add. By clicking points on the plan, you will drop a marker in the shape you have added. The count will then be visible in the measurements drawer. I've skipped ahead to give you an idea of what the finished product is going to look like. Here is everything you need from those plans in order for you to submit an accurate quote. By clicking the green arrow, it'll open up more fields that you can put more information into. On the plan you can see that the minimum slab thickness is indicated as 100 mm. You can put this into the depth column as 0.1 and we will automatically calculate the volume for you. Once you have finished all of your measurements on the canvas, hit download measurements and we will send you a quoting template. You will receive everything you measured on the canvas with our formulas in place so that you can generate a quote in minutes. For ordering materials, there's the option to put in a percentage for wastage. By adding a percent, it will automatically add up in the totals column. Next, you can add the unit cost. So if you know it's going to cost you X per cubic meters of concrete, you can add that in here, which will give you the total dollar value to do the job. Once you have all your materials covered, you can add in your own contingency and your margin, which will be as a percent of the overall total. By using ConX and our templates, you can cut down your time to quote significantly, allowing you to get on with the job.